Yet another police officer has fallen victim to crime and violence. Hi again and welcome, and this is the story making the headlines. Police Corporal shot and killed on Golden Avenue in Mona, St. Andrew. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is lle3 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to lle3 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. lle3 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is lle3 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force and members of the hierarchy of the police force have been plunged into mourning once more following the shooting death of a police corporal over the weekend. A manhunt has been launched for two men who shot and killed a police corporal on Golden Avenue in Mona, St. Andrew on Friday night. Reports are that about 8:30 p.m., the policeman identified as Devon Thomas, assigned to the Papine police station, was at a bar having a drink when two men entered the establishment. Reports are that one of the men ordered a cigarette and then collected the item. Minutes later, several explosions were heard and the two men were seen running from the bar to a waiting motor car. It was later discovered that the police corporal was shot multiple times in the upper part of his body. He was assisted by citizens to the University Hospital of the West Indies, where all the doctor's effort proved futile as he was pronounced dead minutes after. The police high command is condemning the killing of Corporal Devon Thomas, who was gunned down in Papine, St. Andrew on Friday, July the 2nd. Meanwhile, the force's chaplaincy service branch and the community safety and security branch have been dispatched to St. Andrew Central Division to give support to the colleagues of Corporal Thomas. Support has also been offered to the family. Thomas last served the St. Andrew Central Police Division. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been lle3 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.